Hi. Without hands. What you gotta do for do not fall? That's Julie's first trick on her bike. How you do it?
The other edge.
When you go by the other edge. Oh, without hands?
Yeah.
That's your trick?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
I put the camel, but it's all dying.
Oh yeah? How you make ring the bell on your bike? That's just beautiful. Julie, you went to a bike race?
Yeah, my school.
In your school?
Yeah.
It was fun?
Yeah. Look at this trick.
Let me see.
Look at this trick.
What trick is that? Without hands again?
I can go across like that.
Can you?
Yeah. Just
Oh.
watch this.
Wow, what is that trick about?
A figure eight.
A figure eight?
Yeah. Silly monkey.
That's it. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.